Boom, viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not forwarding from Kingmixup, it's not credible, and I don't know the program set round ya, so we're in the streets, we're not industry, and the streets is talking. You see what I'm saying? And they're saying that Sher and Rygin King is a thing. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, voice notes has leaked, and the people them is saying it's Sher on the other line, you know? Yeah, they're saying that them I said she said the thing tough and Emma said the thing buff. But not all is good in paradise, because you know these social media detectives is quick to do their investigative work, and they found out that Rygin King has a natural thing. We don't know her name yet, but we know she's from Mandeville. You see what I'm saying? Also, the fans them is coming for Dovey Magnum because her belly a ball out. And with that being said, she took to her IG page to, I wouldn't say diss up Jamaican restaurants. Well, basically she's telling them to get their act together, you side. And lastly, Devin the Fish. Devin the Bish. Devisha. People don't know who he is. He is taking this opportunity to look a hype off of Vybz Kartel, Massacre, and everybody else who is battling for this king thing. So before we get into any of that, we need to hit the like button, subscribe, and also the notification bell. Caronia, so you get the latest in a dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossip. And let us start with Sher and Rygin King Sintin.
Alright, me wait for now. Already me ready right now. Me hold a minute since about which one me down closer to the tour. Alright, give me 15 minutes. I'll be there. You know, alright, me wait for now. Already me ready right now. Alright.
Yes, that is what the social media detective is working with. They were quick to say that is Sher's voice. You know what I mean? They also stating that they seen Sher at numerous at his events. And they're also using this video. They're using this video with Sher at some event. And they're saying that they are watching Sher's neck and it looks pretty icy. And we do see that it has an initial on it. And initially speaking, watching the video, you only think that it's only a S. But then she reveals the R that's on her chest. And a lot of people is speculating that is Rygin King. They're saying that Rygin King is putting his stamp on Sher. And that, yeah. But people, you don't know the things that with the artist business. We're going to get into who else in the industry is dating other industry players. But they're saying that Rygin King has a girlfriend already. And I guess fear friend them want Sher to back down. Because you don't know the things that. If homegirl gets put on, the whole team gets put on. And you know Rygin King is a superstar. You see me saying him on ride. Nigga rich now, you know. So we see a picture with a girl next to Rygin King, white Audi. So take a look at this Audi and I'm going to show you her picture right now. Yeah, so again, people, only thing we know about this girl is that she has a natural body. You see me I say, and the fans say that is a win already, you know. Anything natural win. And they're saying that she's from Mandeville, you see me. And a lot of people is saying, why isn't there any other men in the world? Why does these industry people have to date their own? And see man say. And I don't know what to say about that.
Me never see not like this. Them for stop that bumper clot shit. Every blood clot Jamaican restaurant you go in America, super ready 2, 3 o'clock at evening. Me not understand that. And then the bumper clot food that them have ready for you and them don't even taste good. Then nah cook the food them good, them just walla every blood clotting the people. It's disgusting. The first thing me know As a restaurant open and we are yardy, the first thing for fling on is a blood clot, empty pot of water and fling some foot and carrot and them bomber clot in it for make like a broth. Because at the end of the day, half of the time when them cook the food them taste disgusting and stink. I think Jamaicans need to do better in America. Like real talk. Or leave the bomber clot restaurant thing alone. Lock your fuck down. Fuck, all the Yankee restaurant them do better than them. With look a broth in the morning.
Now, Dovey ain't lie. Everything that she said was pretty much on point, man. Bad customer service, the food don't taste good. Things never ready. Things always not available. And this is why this is the reason why I don't buy food at the roadside. You see me, I say I'm very picky with the food I buy at the roadside. But I have to agree with her. But that's not the reason why the people are burning her out, you know. Them are burning her out because of the post what she made in her caption. You see me, I say they're saying the reason why this woman is so mad is because she don't know how to cook or manage her cooking time and things like that. You know my rule. If a girl want link Kingmixup, she have to full her belly before she forward because me not there and I no belly ball out nation. But anyway, Dovey said this. Me no feel good. Kiss my teeth. Me nearly pass out just now and stop for something hot. And it's always the same ish from them. You see what I say? Especially in Atlanta. So, I don't know what Uno for said about this. Remember, this is a two-part portion, did you know? What she said in the video was 99% right, but people ain't feeling her caption, you know what I mean? So, Uno put in the comment section and let's talk about this. No, now, we see from what there, yeah. Everybody are looking forward off of Vybz Kartel name and Sicker Rhymes name. You see myself? It's like everybody in the industry that got their freedom. You see what I'm saying? If I'm not I don't you always I bring up him and Kartel, the greatest lyricist. We see footer hype I live pan Sicker Rhymes, you know, recent attack. And I'm blaming upon Kartel. And now we have Devin the Fish. I look at hype like just the other day you looked at hype putting on panties and wigs and it didn't do nothing for you. And this is why I'm tell people at the end of the day, a talent speaks for itself. You can't argue with nobody because they got the biggest fan base. It's not their fault you was birthed in the time when Emma run the place. One of us have to deal with it. So he took to his Instagram page and said this. Make them go and fight about King. I guess that's Vybz Kartel. Legend. I guess that's Bounty Killer. Don. I guess that's somebody and Jenna. And whatever them want to call themselves. You see what I'm saying? In due time, the world will see. Thursday, 5 p.m. Read my lips, bare thoughts. So I don't know if this is gonna be a diss record. I don't know if this is gonna be a tribute record. I just don't know. Only thing I know is what I do for on self. What I do for on a career. You know what I mean? I give credit to listen me if my art my way about my blood clot music and my thing, you know. You know, it's like when I not learn. It's like gonna not learn. For the whole year, did you see Vybz Kartel look at hype off of anybody? We never see Vybz Kartel look at hype off of nobody. Yet still, everybody out there is throwing a subliminal diss towards Vybz Kartel. If not directing a half-assed diss. You know what I mean? We never see Vybz Kartel look at hype off of none of these people yet for push his music or his son's music or any of his artists' music. What that shows you, Vybz Kartel no need none of Uno for push theme music. What does that say about Uno? Uno out chessa with Uno music, Uno freedom, yet still Uno now budge. And people, I'm just giving them quick updates, so don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Around here, so you get the latest in a dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. You don't believe me? Ask your favorite vlogger where them get them blood clot content from. Ask Big O Footer Hype which live him listen to. Because me are the one that tells Sicker Rhymes to Rasclad, you're not safe until you reach a yard, and them the one remix me sinting. See? And if they try to deny it, well, I can pull the receipts.